In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bill for job costs in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to streamline your billing process and ensure accuracy in tracking your job-related expenses, this guide will walk you through each necessary step. Let's harness the power of QuickBooks Online to manage your finances efficiently. To start, open up your QuickBooks Online and direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the New button, which is your gateway to creating various types of entries within QuickBooks. Go ahead and click on this button. Once you click New, you'll see several options appear. For our purposes today, select Bill. This option allows you to record what you owe to your vendors for job-related expenses, ensuring everything is tracked accurately and that you're prepared when it's time to make payments. Now, with the Bill screen open, it's time to input the necessary details of your job costs. You'll want to carefully enter all relevant information, including the vendor details, the date of the bill, and the specific amounts owed. Additionally, be sure to include a clear description of the job-related expenses. This not only helps your record keeping, but also makes it easier to reference these costs in the future. Taking a moment to be thorough here can save you a lot of time when you need to pull up past information. As you're filling out these details, make sure everything aligns accurately with your actual job expenses. This is crucial because it affects both your financial statements and the decisions you make about job pricing, budgeting, and profitability. You want to be as accurate as possible to maintain trust with your vendors and to keep your own accounts precisely managed. After meticulously entering all the job cost details, it's time to click Save. Clicking Save is an essential part of the process, as it ensures that all the information you've entered is securely recorded in QuickBooks. This step completes the billing entry and allows QuickBooks to integrate these costs into your overall financial picture. And there you have it. You've successfully billed for job costs in QuickBooks Online. It's a simple yet powerful way to make sure your accounting is accurate and your business is running smoothly. Efficiently managing job costs is vital to maintaining a healthy cash flow and ensuring every job is as profitable as possible. So great job on taking this important step. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, remember to stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and insights to keep your business on the right track.